In this video, I'll show you how you can send Ethereum from Coinbase over to MetaMask. So you can see I'm on my Coinbase dashboard here. If you haven't already got an account on Coinbase, I'll leave a link in the description below which you can sign up to. But anyway, once you've got your account on Coinbase and you've got Ethereum already in your account, here's how you can go ahead and send it to MetaMask. So what you need to do, you need to go to trade and then just go ahead and find Ethereum. So you can either search for it here, or it might come up as the first one or two here. So I'm going to click on Ethereum. Then I'm going to go to my wallet here. And now we can choose to send Ethereum. So now we need a recipient address. And this recipient address needs to be of our MetaMask wallet. So now what I'm going to do is open up MetaMask. And now I'm logged in. All I need to do is go to buy. Then scroll down and go to direct deposit at Ether. Then click view account. And then go ahead and copy this address here. Now this address here is going to be our recipient address. Make sure you copy all of it correctly. Then you can go back into Coinbase. You can then paste in that address. You can see here we're paying with Ethereum and we can enter in the amount of ETH we want to send. I'm going to send all. We can then click on continue. You can now see this is how much ETH we're sending. We have a 0 Coinbase fee. But we have a network fee of around $6. And once we're happy with that, we can click on send now. And once you've done that, within around 10 to 15 minutes, you'll get that Ethereum inside of your MetaMask wallet.